Hello everyone, greetings from PayTabs team and welcome to Managing Merchants Dashboard tutorial series. In this series, we are going to take you on a journey to learn and discover the power of our merchant dashboard. Throughout the series, we will walk you through each of the menus and options found on PayTabs merchant dashboard and how you can easily manage it. So, let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn more about the digital product mode and how you can use it and configure it inside your PayTabs payment page in order to sell your digital product without the need for your customer to fulfill any billing or shipping details. So let's get started. The first thing you should know is that we have a fully dedicated solution article for the digital product mode with the name What is Digital Product Mode inside PayTab support portal. So here inside this solution article, you will learn more about what is the digital product mode and its limitation, its benefits, and how you can enable it and disable it inside your profile. So starting with the definition of the digital product mode. So let's say your products or your service are not physical, so it doesn't need to be shipped to certain customer or certain places. So in this case, showing the customer details or the shipping details of the payment page is not required. So if you are looking to display them or actually remove them completely from the payment page so that your customer can only fulfill the required detail like the card detail and their email and name and these simple details, for example, not the hassle of all the customer and the shipping details, though this is the servers or this is the digital product mode option. Now, before we move on to how you can enable it and disable it through your PayTabs merchant dashboard, you should know the limitation of it. So actually accepting or declining the transactions which has the or which does not contain the customer detail and the shipping details, which mainly the customer details because the customer details are required by some acquirer, though this is actually subjected to the acquirer decision. So whenever you are looking to enable or disable the digital product mode, you must communicate or contact customer care at paytabs.com and they will provide you with the details if it's objected or it is subjected to a certain acquirer and it's applicable or not, and if it's applicable and the acquirer is accepting the transactions without the customer details, then it will be enabled to you and you will be ready to use it directly. So the first thing you should do whenever you want to enable the digital product mode is contact customer care at paytabs.com in order for them to enable it for you. Now, once you enable it for you, you will be able to enable it and disable it inside your PayTabs payment page through your merchant dashboard by customizing the payment based theme. So you can log into your PayTabs payment based theme and then you should navigate over here to the developer section. From the developer panel, you can navigate to the pay page configuration and then navigate to the pay page settings over here. Then you should edit your theme, your default theme, or you should add a new theme. And in this theme, let's say this one will be the digital product mode. This theme will be or will have the digital product mode enabled like that, and as you can see, once we enable it and click on preview, you will see over here that there are no customer details or shipping details required. So the customer is only required to fill out his name, his email address, and his card details. However, if we removed it from here, let's remove the digital product mode, then click on preview over here, you will see now that the billing details, which is the customer detail, and the shipping details will be required from your customer. So this is simply how you can enable it and disable it. And once you enable it and disable it and make this theme as your default theme, or maybe use the theme ID whenever in your APIs or inside your let's say plugins, this will or this option will be configured inside your payment page. Now there is another option for this or for enabling the digital product mode inside the mobile SDK. So whenever you are using one of our mobile SDK and you are looking to enable or disable or use this digital product mode, then you should navigate to the configuration inside your SDK. So for example, you are looking for the iOS or let's say the Android digital product mode, how you can enable it inside the Android SDK. So by just searching inside our PayTabs support portal, you can write Android SDK digital product mode. So you will see here the link to this SDK and the payment with digital product mode. You will see inside this solution article how you can use the digital product mode method in order to enable a payment with the digital product mode inside your SDK simply by following the steps mentioned inside this solution article. You can find the same inside this SDK that supports the digital product mode. So for example, if we navigated over here to the Flutter SDK, the same thing, you can say digital. It looked like digital is misspelled. Digital product mode, you will see the Flutter SDK contain the payment with digital product mode, and you can look for it inside step 3 of any of our SDK, whether you're using the Android, the Flutter, the iOS, the React Native. Just navigate to this option and you will learn how you can enable or disable the digital or use the digital product mode inside your SDK simply by following the instruction mentioned here. And simply what you will be doing is using a very simple parameter called digital product mode and pass it and through, and you will be enabling the digital product mode inside your SDK. So this is just a simple idea and all the details you need. This is just how you can use the digital product mode using the PayTabs merchant dashboard. Now we can move to the next part.